Even the most beautiful celebrities deal with insecurities. When it comes to sharing photos on social media, some celebs will go to great lengths to give the appearance of a flawless physique. If their editing skills aren't up to par, they can turn a decent-looking image into a Photoshop disaster. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because today we're showing you 10 times celebs failed to trick us with Photoshop. Kim Kardashian and Blac Chyna. Kim Kardashian and Blac Chyna teamed up to take a photograph that left us all drooling. The ladies looked awesome in their workout gear, but when social media users took a closer look at the photo, it was apparent Kim had tried and failed to manipulate the image. In the background, you can see changes in the flooring and squiggly lines on the wall next to Kim's waist and hips. Maybe it's about time the reality TV star picked up a copy of Photoshop for Dummies. Britney Spears. In this picture, Britney Spears is enjoying the sunshine in front of a pool. Her waist and stomach area are nice and toned, but you can easily tell this photo has been altered. When Britney edited the space around her waist and underneath her arched back, she forgot to add in the slab of concrete underneath her. Instead, the pool appears in the background and a chunk of the walkway is missing. It's a dead giveaway that this picture was photoshopped. Nice try, Brit. Kris Jenner. Kris Jenner posted this photo of herself and celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay to her social media account. Her Photoshop skills would have been kept a secret if Gordon hadn't posted the original picture online. When the two photos are compared, you can tell Kris gave her copy a vibrant splash of color and she erased the fine lines and wrinkles on her face. Note to self, if you're going to alter a photo, make sure no one else in the entire world has a copy of the unedited version. Miranda Kerr. You would never think a supermodel would need to Photoshop their Instagram pictures, but time and time again, Miranda Kerr has been caught red-handed. Each of her edited photos turn out to be a complete fail, but that doesn't stop her from cinching her in her waist with some help from photo editing apps. She has denied altering her photos, but the proof is definitely in the pudding. Aubrey O'Day. Aubrey O'Day has reportedly underwent many plastic surgery procedures to change her appearance, but she still goes to great lengths to edit her photos. The singer posted the photo on the right to her Instagram, and the photo on the left was later revealed as the original picture. Aubrey altered the shape of her waist to oblivion, and she made her hips more shapely. Let's hope she took a Photoshop 101 course after this fiasco. Lady Gaga. Even though Lady Gaga's body may be beautiful to us, that hasn't stopped the singer from resorting to Photoshop to make herself look even more thin. In this Photoshop fail, Gaga is doing some stretching, and there's some major signs that she went a little too cray-cray with the editing tool. The warped lines in the background and the curving of the walls and floor prove Gaga not only Photoshopped this image, but she did so horribly. Mariah Carey. On Thanksgiving 2016, Mariah Carey shared this picture on social media in celebration of Turkey Day. Mariah is holding a pie and a can of whipped cream as she poses in a lace-up bodysuit and a pair of fitted jeans. It's just too bad the image was photoshopped. Many of her followers called her out on the distorted image reflecting in the mirror and the warped cabinets behind her. The singer must be proud of her messy editing skills because she refused to delete this Photoshop fail from her account. Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian is a repeat offender, so we had to add her to our list again. In this picture with her BFF Jonathan Cheban, if you look in between the two, you can tell that Kim edited the photo so much that she erased part of her right arm. If you're so bad at Photoshop that you're accidentally turning yourself into an amputee, it's a sign you should leave the photo editing to the pros. Lindsay Lohan. We're definitely going to need Lindsay Lohan to pick up a Photoshop manual. She really thought she was going to fool us into believing she grew a badonkadonk overnight. Instead of plumping her butt, the entire background of the photo became distorted. The wall and the cabinets behind her look like they're fading into a different dimension. Beyoncé. The bootylicious and flawless singer wants us to believe she woke up like this, but according to her failed Photoshopped attempts, Beyoncé is just as imperfect as the rest of us. In this picture, B's legs are slimmed down to give the appearance of a thigh gap. She tried to pull a fast one on us, but the stairs in between her legs are all out of whack and warped due to her wonky Photoshop skills. Were you initially fooled by these celebs' Photoshop pictures? Leave us a comment below and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.